Welcome to the Software Testing Lessons Part 5. Today we are going to learn about main testing techniques. There are two main types, manual and automated testing. As the name suggests, manual testing involves a manual effort where a human is performing all the validation steps, whereas in automated testing, a machine performs the testing steps. Let's go ahead and use an example to learn the difference. Suppose a software company is developing an e-commerce website and they want to test the website before its release to make sure that website functions correctly and provides a smooth customer experience. So they want to test various test cases like user registration, product search, adding items to the cart, and making payments. Now let's understand how we are going to perform these test scenarios using manual and automated testing. First is user registration. The tester is going to manually go through the user registration process, fill out all the required fields, and verify if the registration is successful. Second, product search. Now the tester is going to search for product using different keywords and filters and make sure that accurate results are returned. Next, tester is going to manually add various items to the cart, ensuring the quantities are accurate and that the total price is calculated correctly. And finally, the tester would manually go through the payment process, enter all the test payment details, and make sure that payment is processed successfully. In automated testing, the same steps will be performed, but this time not by a human, but by a machine. Manual testing is very useful when it comes to identifying the visual issues, but at the same time, manual testing can be exhausting and very time-consuming. On the other hand, automated testing may miss the visual and usability issues, but it's fast and a lot more efficient than manual testing. Let me share another example to emphasize on the importance of automated testing. Say there is an e-commerce website that your company has deployed. Your development teams add new features every now and then. When new features are deployed, the testers make sure that critical functionality in the app is not impacted by the addition of new code, and they ensure this by testing these critical use cases every time before new feature is deployed. This is a very common scenario and a perfect candidate of automated testing. The repetitive task can now be replaced by automation and can save us lots of time. So then the question is, which testing strategy is better, manual or automated? I would say leverage both. With the advancement of technology and organizations wanting to deliver value to their customer at a much faster pace, automated testing is becoming more prominent. Machines are great at performing repetitive tasks, so let automated testing take care of repetitive tasks and manual judgment should be left to humans for decision-making purposes. I hope this lesson was helpful to clarify the major differences between manual and automated testing. Keep watching and I'll see you in the next lesson.